Today I have a 1989 Sea Ray 210 bow rider. Really good condition. Got a brand new spare there. New tires on it. Really good condition. It's got a Merc Cruiser 5.7 in it, 260 horse, stainless prop. Go inside and take a look. Very clean. See how clean this is? It's got the jump seats back here. That's where the motor is. Back-to-back seating. Storage. Rated for 8 passengers. Alpine stereo. Seats are in very, very good condition. Little bit of cracking right there, nothing major. Does have the filler cushions there to fill that bow in. It's really a nice big bow too. Open up this compartment here. Anchor locker if you want to throw an anchor in there. Does have the full walk-through windshield. And floor storage. Check this one out at SkipperBud's. We do offer financing.